Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Qt and confirming a working compiler, because tools must match. Once installed, open Qt Creator and create new project. Pick Qt Widgets or Qt Quick depending on UI needs. Choose an appropriate kit right away so build settings are valid. Set the project name, location, and enable version control if desired. This keeps history safe. Make sure the build directory is separate from source. Now build the initial project to verify the toolchain and kit are correct. Once the skeleton builds, focus on configuration. Open projects and tweak QMake or CMake options, choose debug or release and confirm architecture. This controls optimization and debugging. Next, design the UI with the integrated designer. Place widgets, create signals and slots, and add resources like icons. Then organize code files. Link headers and sources in the project file, update include paths, and add libraries. You should run incremental builds and unit tests after changes. This reveals missing symbols or mislinked resources early. When ready to finish, run the release build and deploy. Either use the Qt deployment tool for target platforms or create an installer. Make sure file permissions and runtime libs are included. If bugs appear, open the debugger, set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through the call stack to find root causes. Once corrected, run full test passes. If things go wrong, clear the build directory and rebuild. This often resolves kit mismatches, stale object files, or missing QRC resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.